Hello, geezers of the internet. My name's the Cheese Champ, and I am talking very slow for no random reason. Well, for a random reason. Yeah. But yeah, I'm playing on Subway Surf, and I might be making a new little series where I go around looking for games apps to play, and I will play on them and review on them. So this is Subway Surf, pretty fun game, not going to lie. And at the end, I will give it a number out of 10, how much I like about it. So in the comments you can put down what you like about it, or what you want, what you think what number you think it should be. And you could also write down what games you want me to play and things like that. So yeah, here it is, Subway Surf, and we have got our magnet, which is pretty cool indeed, in fact. And yeah, I've literally just had a bit of practice sessions before to get my mojo back, and I have already completed the daily challenge. It was next, and I just stopped looking at the screen and got run over by a train. But yeah, so I'm just gonna watch this advert, whatever it is, so I can get a box. I said 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We can open this beautiful box. And we got 100 coins. How nice. We could get another, but I can't be bothered, really. Right, I'll show you my characters. Got Tricky, Jake Dark outfit, a Jake Star outfit, got Tagbot Space, and I'm saving up for King. Look how beastie it is though. So cool. Right, yeah, let's go for another round. I think this will be the last round. No, that won't be the last round because I'm really terrible. But right now, my high score, which is pretty bad, is 50,480. I know, you guys have probably got like 10, 100,000 and whatever. It's pretty laggy though because I'm recording, so it makes it laggy. Usually though, when I'm playing, it's pretty fine and smooth. So yeah, let's go. Also, I might pick some games which I like and give them a good review. I don't even know now. I'm thinking too hard. Maybe some ketchup games. They're cool. And I seem to have got a mystery box, which are also cool. And do you know what else is? Them. What I just got. Those masks. Oh yes, I love these. Meow. They're also cool. Everything's cool in this game. There's not a bad thing about it. Well, there is. Like sometimes when you're fighting the world, it's so laggy like this. Grrr, it makes me angry. Now, double tap to get a bar. They're also cool. Who wouldn't like a magnet? I mean, so yeah, like so cool. Because it's very warm. By the way, if you didn't know, which you don't, unless you're watching lag,